Let's solve the question number 12 now. The question number 12 is find the highest altitude. So let's see the question. The question says there is a biker going on a road trip. The road trip consists of n plus 1 points at different altitudes. The biker starts his trip on point 0 with altitude is equal to 0. You are given an integer array gain. So we are given an integer array gain of length n. So let's define n is equal to gain dot length. So we have stored the length of gain in n. After that it's saying where gain at I is the net gain in altitude between points I and I plus 1. Return the highest altitude of a point. So we have to return the highest altitude. So let's make another variable int max is equal to integer dot min value. Okay, so let's see the example number 1. So they are saying we are given input array gain which is like this -5 1 5 0 -7. Okay, explanation. The altitudes are 0 -5 -4 1 1 -6 and the highest is -1. Okay, so basically this question is similar to the question number 2, I think so, which was running sum of 1D array. So what we are doing is that the zeroth index of our answer array will always be 0. So first of all let us make answer array int answer is equal to new int. So the length of this answer array is n plus 1, 1 more than the length of gain. Here also the length is n plus 1. So let's define the length which is n plus 1. Now we can see they have also given us that the biker starts his trip on point 0 with altitude is equal to 0. So the 0th index of our answer will always be equal to 0. Okay, so now we have to calculate the running sum of the rest of the array. So let's do it. For we will start our I from 1 because we have already defined the 0th index of our answer. Okay, so we were given that for example, let's take the example number 1. Here we have -5 on the 0th index. We have -5 on the 0th index, and in our answer array we have -5 on the first index. So I is for I is equal to 1 here. So here it will come answer at 1 is equal to answer at 0 plus gains at 0. This is our answer array. The 0th index was already 0. Now our first index will become something like this. So the result of this answer at 0, which is 0 plus gain at 0, which is -5. 0 plus -5 is equal to -5. So we will add -5 here. After that it will become 2. Here also 2, 1 and 1. So answer at 2, which is this place, is equal to answer at 1 -5 plus gain at 1. So gain at 1 is 1 plus 1. So this this will become -4. Similarly, we will get the rest of the index also. Let's copy it. Okay. After that, we have to check if our answer at I is greater than max. Then we will give our max is equal to answer at I. So this thing we have done in order to find the maximum altitude. For example, in this, the maximum among all of them is 1. So after this for loop will end, the max will be updated with 1. And at last, we will return our max. Okay, let's try to submit this. Okay, let me see. Wait. Okay, so we have done one thing wrong here. Actually, we are starting our for loop from 1. So, for example, let's take this answer. Let's say everything was negative here. -1, -1. So, for checking for max, it was starting from here and it was not including 0. In this case, the maximum is 0, but this for loop is starting from first index. So, in order to find our maximum, it was checking only these elements. So, rather than defining our max is equal to integer dot min value, we'll change it to 0. Okay, let's copy this. Let's try to run this. Okay. See, 100% faster.